right, so I want you to bring 93, bring it down 1 point to 92. All right. So we are on a sideways wave, high of 405 and the low 92. Okay. We believe that price is gonna continue going all the way to what did I say, Mistake 90, right? 90, yeah. All right. So we believe the price is gonna continue going 90 on this move, and right. So here we are. We are on a sideways snake wave right now. Right. We know the importance of 402. Right. As long as the price is below 402, we believe that it's going to continue going down, and it's going to look to take this range right here, 96. Okay, 96. Okay, and 96 and 92. That's gonna be a pain in the butt, but we have the open coming pretty soon. And if I don't change hat, then we continue with our forecast. We can say that this 90 right here, there is so many little supports, man. But it is what it is. That's target one, right? And then, so what is target two then? 8. All right. Okay, so for the bulls, ladies and gentlemen, the um, the target one for the bulls is 08. Remember, you know, bulls they want to break 02, right? And they want to test the current high 404, break it right 405, and which is our high, and take it to 408. All right, so 408 is target one for the bulls, right? If they manage to break 02, that's where they want to take it. It's gonna be a squeeze for the bears, right? Okay. All right, so we're good. 405 is the high of this wave. 90. Okay. Okay. 95 is okay. Here we go. All righty. Okay. What was that? 99, right? Pretty yes. Good, right? Alrighty then. Fucker. Right. Okay. Alrighty, my friends. 99. Alrighty then. Okay. Alright, so back to our initial level, right? Remember, 99 was the level that we were when we made the forecast that the direction is bearish. That 402 is the level that we don't want the price to break, right? So that makes it entry and a stop if you're already sure, right? Which you should be 99, right? 99 all the way to 02. It's a short, okay? And then a clean break of 02 is not a stop, right? Especially at the open. We know that 02 all the way to 09, it's a squeeze. Of course, we're not gonna let it go against us all the way from 02 to 09. We're not gonna let it 7 points against us, right? So we are counting on the price to not take our 99, right? 400, 402, all right? And eventually finally break 96. We know it's gonna give us some shenanigans right there, right? 96, 93, and then I brought it down to 92, and then we just have to be patient and ride this baby all the way to 90. How is it gonna get there? It's gonna be horrible, but stop break-even trail. It's 95 now. Alrighty. So not only we need to know where the price is going, but how it's gonna get there, right? So 96, price just went to our 95, which is the low of our snake wave, right? All right. So what what do we know um, about a snake wave, Mystic? If the price goes to the low of a snake wave, which is a sideways, what do we know is gonna happen? It's gonna bounce, and we can even go long if we wanted to, right? All right. But we have a little bearish bias, right? We're not gonna take a shot long 95, although we could, because 95 is the low of this 10-point wave that we're on right now, right? If it's a snake wave, we can buy 95 and sell '05. We can do that short term for scalping with the micros, right? All righty then. Okay, so we have 402. We don't want the price to break it, right? Especially our entry 99, right? 99. Okay, price goes to 99, and we are comfortable that 99 stopped it on the volatility of the open. So we are comfortable and believing that the price is eventually gonna finally take 95. It'll go to this one right here. 95. What was the other one? Mistake. 90, 90, 92, right? Oh, please.
95,
Yeah,
92.
exactly. 92. Well, you know.
And then 90.
That's right. All these supports, right?
Yep.
Just like we said, price. We're expecting the price to go there, but it's not gonna be a nice, flowing, juicy Lamborghini trade today. Look at this chop. Look at it. 95, 99. 4 point. Look at this chop right here. All right. All right. Clean break of 99. We all know the price is going to continue going to '02, right? It's going to take 400, even though it's a psychological level, and there's a lot of bears that that going to start shorting 400. They don't know that a break of 99 is going to give that move a strong enough strength to take it to '02. They don't know that. If they did, they wouldn't short for 400, psychological level 400. They would wait for '02, right? And we know that we have '02 and '05 is the high, all right? And remember, okay, those of you who are long the low here, look at that. Did you see how they broke it? The 99? We never let a winner turn into a loser. Boom, it took 400, and look at that, right? Didn't I tell you? All right, look at the way it did it, right? Look at it, right? Look at that, amazing. Look at that, boom, all the way to 41, right? 41 quarter, '02. You see? All righty. This is exactly what I told you, right? '02, still holding, right? 400. Do you see how the smart money destroyed 400 all the way to 1 quarter for, you know, I meant how it destroyed it, not in size, but in time. Like 1 microsecond, it went all the way from 98 to 401, right? 3 points. It can be faster, right? We, on the other hand, we remain bearish. We remain bearish. We remain bearish. We know what the resistances are. Okay? So our main play is bearish, it's down, and there is, you all know, and there is a counter trend long the low, our 95, right? It's a counter trend. So you can be long right now 95 with the micros, and the reason you can be long is because you know that that's what you're supposed to do. If I tell you we are in a snake wave, the low is this and the high is this, you're supposed to counter trend it, right? We don't get intimidated, right? You took that counter trend, I know with the micros, right? because it's a counter trend. You're not gonna do it with the ES. We are sure the main play because that's the one that we're expecting to go all the way to 90. So we wanna be sure with the big size that move from uh, uh, from this 400, 402, right? All of this is resistance all the way to 90. Okay, with the big one. All right. So that bounce off of 95 all the way to 01, that's 6 points in 6 minutes, right? That's not bad for a pocket change, right? But we know better. You don't have to counter trend, of course, right? You want to go with the trend that nobody knows. Oh my God. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, did you see that? Again, 95. It's in it unbelievable. Tell me that's not unbelievable. Look what happened. It's just unbelievable. Price goes a couple of ticks below 95, and look at what happens. It goes all the way in 1 microquantum second. It goes all the way back up. You know how many weak bears are being destroyed? Those that don't know the odds as to what the market is gonna do later on, right? Look at it. It goes from almost 94 half in one quantum leap to 02. All right. So what does that tell you? If you're not a professional trader, get the hell out of this action. Believe me. All righty. When we start looking at this job and it's radical, it's a rocky action. The last thing, if you're not a total professional and you are a master buying a scalper and you're protecting your principal, you have no business trading this action right here. All right. Now you are Mr. Spock. You have no feeling, no emotion. You do exactly what I'm telling you. Okay. All righty then. All right. You have to be a master scalper and money manager. All right. Money management is extremely important right here. Okay. The market, ladies and gentlemen, you know it will reveal eventually to us. If it's gonna trend, it'll be revealed to us. In the meantime, we just have to be patient and continue scalping. All right. We know that a clean break of 02, it'll continue going to 05. Bulls are in control. They just cannot take 02. Look at that. It goes 3 ticks below our resistance to 1/4. Look at it. Even though the bounce was violent and vicious, it just couldn't. It just could not take our 02. Period. Couldn't take it. That doesn't mean that it's not gonna take it eventually if they want to, right? But we're right there. We're waiting, and we'll keep watching the price do what we expect it to do. Patience, courage, and determination, and then
And a great system.
okay, and look at it. Mistake 93, right?
Yes.
Where did it? What is this thing? Look at that. 93, 94, right? Remember 94?
Yep, 94.
Oh, please come on. Isn't these all the levels that we know exactly what's going on?
Everything that you said.
All right, all right. So hang in there, hang tight, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. We don't have a new. There is no new reading, so. If there is no a new rotation, meaning we can tell that the smart money has decided to change the future direction of the trend, then we stay in course. All right, we stay with the plan. So I gotta tell you, this is very important. Now, as long as the price is above 97 is really important now. Okay, 97, ladies and gentlemen. The bulls are in control now. 97. As long as the price is above 97 is a key level. Very important, right? Very important. 97 is the level now that is going to decide who's in control. Price is above 97. The bulls are in control. All righty? Short term. All right? That doesn't mean that it's not going to recoil off of O2. Well, right? Remember what I told you. Clean break of O2. Of course, it's going to go to O4 and O5, right? And now that we know, we just got that in that notice. Goldman Sachs just called me and said, hey, listen, bulls are in control as long as the price is above 97, right? So these guys went long 97 all the way to 02. That's 5 point. Bam! Right? Okay. Alrighty then. All right. What do you think is going on right now? Look at that. 275. What do you think? Smart money taking the stops of all the weak bulls. That's exactly what happened. It took O2, 3 ticks, right? 3 ticks, right? Above O2. 3, 275, right? Took it, and look at that. Every bear was waiting to take that short 03, 04, 05. All right. So remember what I told you. At all times, we need to know who's in control. As long as the price is above 97, remember, as long as the price was below 99 this morning, right? The bears were in control. Now it's 97. Price is above 97. The bulls are in control. So now, right, we have to change hats, right? And expect the price to go all the way to 05. There's going to be, boom, 05. Is that 05? All right. Okay. So this, what is 05 for us? Okay. 05 for us is now any short, I'm telling you, any shorts that we take is now, ladies and gentlemen, the counter trend, because 97 right here, I told you before the price broke O2, I told you the bulls are in control now. It will take O2, it will take O4, and it'll go to O5. So we take a shot short of 5 that I've been telling you it's okay to short of 5 because we are in a kangaroo wave. It's okay to short of 5. Price goes to 550, right? 2 ticks to give you a nice entry. Some of you probably, some bears say, you know what? I'm not gonna. And on a kangaroo, it can destroy your 5 and go to OA in 1 second. I'm not gonna take the O5. Well, if you don't take the O5, look at the bounce right now. You're missing these 3 points recoil. So how do you do it? Well, you take it with a small position. You're not gonna take it with your big entire position. You'll be crazy to short 05, 06 with your all position. You'll be all right. So I don't have to tell you that. All righty. All right. So price goes to our 05 to tick. It gives us a razor sharp entry. 2 ticks of hit only. Boom. What are we expecting now? Well, are you kidding me? We are in a sideways action. Price goes down 3 points. We know the bulls are in control because the price is above 97. And we know that eventually Goldman, the smart money, is looking to take it all the way to 08, 08, 09. We know that, right? All right. But that doesn't mean that we're not going to counter trend, because remember, counter trend sometimes end up being the beginning of a beautiful new trend, right? Right. Okay. So, okay. All righty, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so what do we know so far, right? When the price was 99 right here, that's when I told you, bulls in control. It will go to 02, break it, and continue to 05, right? That's the main play. 99, so 99, 400. Gee. Like that's not predictable, right? All right, so bulls are in control when we knew it. 97, right? Above 97, bulls are in control. It's going to take 02 and continue going to 05. So being long is the main play, and we are expecting the price to continue to OA. That's the main play. That doesn't mean that we're not going to give it a shot at resistance, right? We came here to trade. We're scalpers, right? Yeah, I know we're scalpers and we scalp 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60 and 70 points. I know that. Well, if the market gives, we take it. Boom, taking the '06, and we know where it's going. And we're going to do exactly the same thing at '08. Remember what I told you. It's right there. From here, from 99, right? Right? The main play, long 99. When I told you, ladies and gentlemen, bulls took control right here at 97. Price was 99, 2 points above. That's a buy, right? And I told you, it's going to go to '02, destroy, it's going to go to '04, take it, it's going to go to '05. We're gonna counter with a small position, make 1, 2, 3 points, but we know that the main play is long here 99, and we know we are expecting it continue 9 points to '08. All right, and with this kangaroo action, right, '08, '09, okay, '09, right? And what is '08, '09 that I told you 45 minutes ago? Is target 1 for the bulls. Thank God we were able to recognize 10 minutes ago that the bulls took control when the price was at 99, which is, by the way, the price that was that we were sure. Remember 99? As long as the price was below 99, price going down. Now it's so mathematically action. It's not even funny. All right. So 99, our bearish 99, right? 402. Price was 99 when we knew about 402, and now 99, which is the entry, is now it's not support anymore. It's not resistance anymore. Now is support. Where is it going? All the way to '05, '08, which is target 1. Okay, so we all know all of this 45 minutes ago, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's '08, isn't it? Okay, so I gave you a 1 point here range. Okay, I gave you 1 point range, and we're gonna pulse it out. All right, we're gonna pulse it out. There is no reason at all whatsoever to get all out right here at '08, '09. All right. '08. Why? Well, the high is '09. Look at the way it's going up. It went parabolic. We nail it at 99, and then we're gonna make 10 points to '09. There's no reason at all to get all out '08, but we do want to lock 10 points right here if you were fast and you took that shot. 99, 400, 401, when we knew what the important key level was that 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 couldn't be taken. 97, for the bulls to continue this beautiful ride all the way to where we already knew it was gonna go. Bam! That's '09. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's '09. Okay, that's '09. And let's see what target let's see what target 2 is for the bulls for this long play that we're on right now. Okay, let's see what target 2 is. Let me look for it. Right? We all know exactly what to do, right? Target 1, right? Look at the counter trend. '09. Look at it. Look at the counter trend '09, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it. '09. 950. 2 ticks. Plenty of time and room for you to take our usual counter trend. 2 ticks. Plenty of room and plenty of time to take our usual counter trend short '09. '09 is the high of this '08, '09 range. it's target one, and the reason it's target one is because it's resistance. And what do? We buy support and we sell resistance. Well, actually, we buy and sell support and we buy and sell resistance. Right, ladies and gentlemen, 10 a.m. Those of you who had coconut and you took a counter trend short 09, pretty good. Look at that. Look at that 4-point drop all the way to 5. We are a scalper. You're taking some dough off the table right here. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so these are all levels that we've known already. So you're just salivating, waiting for the price to go to our levels. And that's why I tell you, get rid of all those crutches. We don't need crutches here. All we need is points of support, resistance. That's it. As long as we know which one they are, then we'll nail this baby. All right, look at the counter trend. Oh my God, Capi! I should have go short that counter trend 09 with the ES and not the micros. No, you cannot do that, right? You cannot do that. Alrighty, you cannot do that. Don't. That would be one of the scenes that a lot of amateurs made, which is fear and greed. We all know about fear and greed. Alrighty, okay. Don't do that. All right, yeah, because it was a beautiful entry short 09, razor sharp. Look at these 4 points in 2 minutes, right? Beautiful. And then you're saying to yourself, "Oh my God, I should have done it with no. That's greed. All right, don't do that. Okay, trading is a lot more than just having a strategy, right? Okay, right, you have to have a lot of tactics, right? Setups. Oh my God, this is set up like the teenagers on YouTube, right? All those fake gurus on YouTube, teenagers. Every day there's a new teenager on YouTube claiming to be a big shot, right? Area of supply, double top, double bottom. That's the only setup that you know. We have a whole bunch of setups, right? And my point is that you don't only need to have that set up, you need to know what it means, how it's going to get there, what the price is going to do, and how to play it. Alrighty? All right. Money management, trade management. All right. So there is a lot more to consistently profitable trading than just having a double top or a double bottom, right? all those kids on YouTube that went short the open right there 99. They went short the 400. They had no idea that the bulls took control when I told you 97. So, and you know what they're doing right now? They're adding to a loser, right? They add to a loser 04, and then by the time price went all the way to here 9.5, their evaluation account, bang, got destroyed. And that's exactly what the prop firm wanted to. Okay, another reset, bang, another $100 that these guys are gonna pay. That's exactly what's going on, All right. You think I'm kidding? Alrighty then. Hang in there. Let me look for. All right. As long as I don't tell you to change hats, you remain bullish. Let me go look for target 2 now. So it's gonna be a while before the price takes 44.10. It's gonna be a while, and it's not gonna be easy. So the counter trend 09, it's got a good possibility of working out pretty nicely. Okay, the counter trend short that we are on right now, counter trend that we're on right now, 09, has a pretty good possibility of working out nicely. All right. Okay. taking of '05. Gee, '05. What as if we don't know '05, the importance of '59 now, right? Remember our '05, a support now. When the price destroyed '09 and went all the way to 9.5, let's call it 10. It went all the way to 10. These 5 points that made '05 support, right? It was resistance, right? Remember resistance. We took a shot the first time, and then I told you that's it, we're done. Not gonna short it anymore. Next time it's gonna break it and continue to 10, right? Look at what happened. It is support now, so those bears that are short our counter trend short '09, because we know that price is not gonna easily take this new high right here, 9.5, right? Then what's gonna happen now? '05, '10, '10, '05 is gonna leap up and down, right? Leap '05, '10, '10, '05, and then bears, those of us who are short the '09 level, we are confident that the price is gonna take '05. Testing '05 right now, we are confident that it's gonna take it, and then stop, break even, start trailing. It is still a counter trend because the bulls are in control until I tell you to change hat, and they're not anymore. Alrighty? Okay, it's very important. The bulls are still in control, which is are taking advantage that we knew '09 was going to be strong enough to counter trend short like we do every single day, right? That's why it's target one. The reason it's target one for the bulls is because of the resistance, right? All right. It wasn't '07, 75, 6, 5. No. Target one, I gave it to you an hour ago. '08, and then I gave you one more point. Look at it. Look at the beautiful range. '09. Look at it. It just doesn't get any better than that. All righty? Okay. So, back to '05. Momentum takes it all the way to 3 and change. And back to '05, right? So, right now, everybody is asking themselves, what the hell are we going to do right here, '05? Is the price going to take it to the downside, or is it going to hang around here for how long? Look at it. It goes to '03, '06, 3-point shenanigan, right? And we are totally and completely in full control of our plays. All right? All right. You remain bullish. The main play long 99 until I tell you not anymore. You know that a clean break of 97 invalidates that forecast. That's the main play. All right, 97. 97 is taken. That's it. All right, the main play long 99 is invalidated. Price needs to go all the way to 97, and we are now looking for target 2 to the upside. Right, that's what we're doing right now. That's what I'm doing right now. In the meantime, we're enjoying that short position that we have '09 with a small position size with the micros. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so Goldman just called me and they told me that they're gonna take it to 13. Boom, 13. That's where we're going next. All right, now listen to this. This is extremely important. All right, 13, my friends, is not a target. So we're not gonna counter trend it short. 13 is a destination. All right. Look at that. Is that a break of is that a break like what 30 seconds before I told you? Didn't I tell you that Goldman just called me and they told me that they're gonna break the 9 and go to 13? Didn't I just tell you that like 2 seconds ago before it broke? Boom! What is this? 12 and change. I told you it's gonna go to 13. Right? They called me. What do you want me to say? Right? 13. All right. Not that it's not gonna work, right? But remember, 13. I'm gonna say it again. Boom! Tell me if that's 13. I'm gonna say it again. It's not target 2. It's just a destination, meaning we know that a break was coming. It was going to take the high 09, and it's the only way for the price to take the 09, it had to have enough strength to take it to 13. We knew that. We know that every day. We know it. It's not a target, though. So hang in there. Keep your ammunition long, because we believe that it's going to continue. Two things. Number one, we're not going to short it. And number two, let's go ahead and make more, right? We just need to know where it's going to go next. That's all. Boom. Taking 13, 14, 15. All right, so let me see what target 2 is. We don't have it. I don't have it yet. I have to wait for Deutsche Bank to call me. All right. Not that it's not gonna work, the 13 counter trend, right? 13 is resistance, but we don't want to take it. All right, no, we don't want to take it. No, not with this action, right? Okay, we're gonna concentrate. Boom! I got it. 21. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have target 2. All righty then. Target 2 is 21. Alrighty, target 2, 21. All right, so we're gonna go to 21 now. Target 2. All right, we get out 3 times. We're gonna hang in there, and we're gonna ride this baby all the way to 21, from 99 to 21. So we're looking to make 22 points. No, Capi, I was a little bit late. I took the 400, man. I took the break. I took this and that. Well, all right, you're still gonna make 15 points. All right, if you were late, if you were chasing, you're still going to make 15 points, right? I've been telling you 30 seconds before there is a new break. I've been telling you price is going to break such and such, and this is where it's going. So even if you're late, really late, you're still going to make 10, 12, 13, 14 points. Right? 17, 18, that's beautiful. This is mathematics, guys. All right? This is mathematics. I put an equation, I multiply, divide, and then times P, and then I get not only direction, but entry location, a stop, target, position size, trade management, account management, right? If you don't have all of that under control, you should be selling real estate. You shouldn't be here, right? And you all have it because I give it to you. So we are bringing 97. We're bringing it up 10 points. Okay, we're bringing it up 10 points to right, to 07. Okay. All right. Alrighty. So we're bringing 97. We're bringing it up 10 points to 97. Bulls, those of us who want to go to 21 next, we don't want the price to take 07. Of course, 07 and 05 is not a stop loss, alrighty? It's an re-entry loan. It's an add to a winner, unless I tell you not to, okay? We need to know that way before it happens. The reason we didn't short 19 is because we wanted the price to go all the way to target 2, 21. Right? Well, we missed it by, all right, 21 is target 2. All right? I told you. All right, so we were just nicely waiting for the price to go to 91 so that we can take another counter trend, right? But it didn't, so we're not short 19. We would have loved it, right? 19, look at that. Look at that drop all the way to 10. That's beautiful, right? 9 points. Well, we didn't take it because the price didn't go to our entry short 21. Now we believe that that this new high right here is not going to be taken easily, right? And if it is, then price is if it takes this new high right here, right? This swing high right here, 18.5, if it takes it, it'll go to 21. And 21 is going to be even a better entry short. We do not believe that the price is going to take this 1922. That's not going to happen. All righty. Okay. Making the 21 more appealing. All right. And what is it that we think is going to happen? Price is going to go all the way back to 11 right here. This back to 12. It's going to take it and it's going to continue going down. Where to? Hey, that's only 4 points, man. Well, we got to do what we got to do. All right. All right. Does that make a short the main play? Of course not. Price needs to destroy 07. Now it needs to destroy 07 for us not to want to be, for the price to invalidate the main play long that we believe eventually it's going to go to 21, 22. All right. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, that is target. This is target 2. Okay, 21 is target 2. Alrighty? So do not get rid of all your long position just because the price is going to take 12, 14, look at it, right? And continue to OA. Alright? Okay. Alrighty then. It's a counter trend, alright? Okay. So a lot of traders don't, they don't counter trend. You don't have to counter trend. Well, you don't have to do anything you want. Oh, by the way, all of this is for, you are 100% completely responsible. This is all for educational purposes only. Alrighty then. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 16, right? Remember? Okay, remember this high right here? Okay. Okay, let's see. Hey, Capi, can you give me target 3? I'm comfortable letting it ride, man. I'm not gonna counter trend. I'm just going to milk this. We nail this uptrend, man. I'm gonna milk it. I'm not gonna do any shenanigans. I'm not interested in counter trending short at all. I don't care. I'm just gonna manage my long position. Can you please tell me what target 3 is? Hey, hold on a second. I'm waiting. What do you think? I need for Jerome Powell to call me and tell me where is he gonna take it? Give me a second. I don't have it yet, but I will. All right. So this is exactly what I told you what's gonna happen, right? I told you price is gonna take 12 and it's gonna go to 9, 8, 9, and remember 7. Okay, bulls are counting on 7 holding. Okay, so that they can take it all the way to 21 and target 3, which I still don't know what it is. We, on the other hand, knew that the price was not gonna take 18.5, that the next move was gonna be that the price was gonna take 12 and continue 4 points down to 08. Did we not know that? Right? Boom. That's a quarter. So in other words, those of you who took advantage of that information, you counter trend short when I told you to do it. 14, right? 14, 18. Counter trended short right there when I told you it's not gonna take it. Price goes to 17. What's the mid range between 14 and 17? 15, 15 half. You're short 15, right? Nice, 15, nice, a little above. Because you know the price is gonna go to 08. So why not take a small position short if the price is gonna take 12 and it's gonna go down 8 points to 08 like it's doing it right here, right now, and I'm telling you where to get in short, the range. You take the mid-range, boom, 15, and you just made how many points? 7 points. on this counter trend, right? Oh my God, Capi, this is amazing. Of course it is. We do this here every day. Is it? I'm going to ask you a question, and you tell me how many times does this happen? Why do we counter trend? Sometimes the counter trend end up being the beginning of a beautiful new trend. Yes, Capi. Yes. Okay, that's why we do it. Boom. Oh 07, right? Oh 07, oh 05. Oh 07, oh 05, oh 07, oh 05, oh 07, oh 05. Taking oh 07, right? Taking oh 07, oh 05. The bulls are so scared right now. We, on the other hand, are short from 15, 16. Bam! Oh 04. We're up 11 points. That's how you do it. This is how you do it. You don't do it like this, that's not going to happen. You've got to have all this. You've got to have all this under control, right? You need to know all of this stuff. Remember what I told you. Consistently profitable trading, right? Consistently profitable trading is not just having a setup. That's what the fake gurus on YouTube have. It's, they were charged 5 grand by another fake guru. It didn't work for them. They're pissed off that they pay 5 grand, and now they're gonna sell it. Every day there's a new teenager, genius on YouTube selling their crap, right? Okay, it's not enough having just this is a double bottom. Oh, this is a double top. That's not gonna work. You have to have all these techniques, tactics, and strategies under your sleeve. You need to know what the price is going to do. If you don't know the future, if you don't have a crystal ball, it's not gonna happen for you. Hey, what do you mean crystal ball, Capi? You're crazy. Come on. You're overdoing it now. Nobody knows what's going to happen in the future. Well, you know exactly what I mean by a crystal ball. You need to know what the hell the price is going to do and how it's going to do it. You need to know the odds as to what's going to happen next, just like we've been doing all this morning. I just told you, oh my God, look at this 18. Goldman just called, it's not going to take it. On the contrary, the next move is a break of 12, and it's going to go on the first leg all the way to 08. Bam! 400. That's a bonus, a beautiful bonus. It went parabolic to the downside, and we're just enjoying this, right? Price took 07, and I told you, we're going to move it from 97 to 07 so that we know what's going on with the main play, right? Which was, and it still is, that 99 long. It is still the main play, believe it or not. This is just viciousness from the small money. You know how many bulls got taken, all the stuff that were taken out on this drop from 18 to 08 and 98. This 20-point drop, it destroyed all the retail traders that have no clue how to do this. That's why 99% of traders don't make it, because they don't know how to do this thing. All right? And when the smart money is vicious, this is exactly the way it's going to do it. All right? I'm going to tell you. I'm looking at this low of day 94 really, really closely. Okay? Just like I told you, the price is not going to take 19, 18. I tell you right now, price is not going to take this low of day. This 93, that's not going to happen. So right now, then we are in a, what time it is? Well, it's 10:46, right? So, oh my God, so what do we do now? Just like we get out 3 times on the main play, we get out also 3 times on the counter trend, because remember, this counter trend, I don't know that yet, but this drop, right? This counter trend could easily become the new trend, right? I don't know that yet. Okay. I'm not expecting the low to be broken. That's not going to happen anytime soon. But I'll know eventually. And then we act accordingly. Okay. Let's see. In the meantime, we're enjoying these 20 points that we just made on a counter trend. Alrighty, price took '07, and we know now that the bulls are nervous. Remember, I told you '07, we're gonna bring it here. All right, we're gonna try to go long right there. '05, '07. It beautifully broke it. That's exactly what we counter trend short bears wanted. Destroy it, right? Destroyment of the '07. I told you, listen, we have to see how it takes it. All right, and then we will be in a much better position as to whether the main play is still the main play. All right, the main play right now we all can see is it's nothing, right? Okay, we don't have a main play right now. It is not this short, but it's not the long anymore because the price took '07. Now, for the macro view, for the macro bullish play to be invalidated, the price needs to break 93. All right? And that's not going to happen. So what are we going to do? We're going to be looking to buy support unless I tell you not to. Time right now, 10:48. In the meantime, there is no reason at all whatsoever to get all out of the current short 16, 17 that we're on right now. Okay. Where is the first target for that shore that we're on? What do you think it is? 499, right? Look, our 99 right there. That's target one. Okay. Price right now, 02. All right. So it's going to continue playing right here. No biggie. All righty. Okay. Okay. So, repeat. Bulls, they're taking advantage of this 20-point drop that we took as a counter trend. We just made 20 points on our first leg. This is our first leg, right? For our last short. Okay? We took advantage of it. Target one, it's right there, 400. I mean, I don't. Okay, even the teenagers on YouTube, they know that 400 was gonna be support. So what we need to know now is 400 going to hold? Well, we need a little bit more time to know that. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. This is a conventional. It's not even. It's not even. It's not even. Okay, let's see what. Right. Okay, all right. So bounce off of 98 nicely, right? Okay, where to? All right. So the first resistance, ladies and gentlemen, it's that 10. Okay. Right. So we broke our 12. Remember 12. That's beautiful for the bears, right? All right. Good. So what is the first resistance for the bears? All right. Those of us who took a shot short the high, leg one, 400, right? For 16, 17, 18 points, right? We're holding on to this short position, right? We have two more units left, and then, right? Okay, right. Hold on a second. Right. Okay. Righty. Okay. Let's see what's going on right here. Yep. 10. Okay, where the hell is it? 10. Alrighty. Okay. 10. This 10 right here. Okay, this 10 right here is the first resistance. 10, 12. What do you think? Remember when I told you price is going to take 12 and go to 8. First leg, boom, we got a beautiful bonus. Now, resistance begins at 10, 12. All right? bears. We don't want the price to take this 10, 12. And as long as it doesn't take it, then there's going to be some shenanigans here. We don't care about '07 anymore. You know, that's all news. Now we're interested in 10, 12, right? Okay. Look at remember our original 405, the high of the kangaroo channel, right? Wave 05, 95. All right, we're still there. Okay. 97, that's that's not that's not important anymore. Alrighty, for the bears, what's important to us now is the 10, 12, and of course 99, 400, right? That's what's important to us now. Okay. All right, we do not expect this, which by the way is a swing low. We do not expect this swing low 99 to be taken. Clean taking of this 99, then we're going to our original 90. Okay, that's where we're going. 90. Alrighty. Okay. So, hey, Cappy, I'm confused now, man. Is there a main play? No, there isn't. Okay, there isn't. All right. Look at this beautiful drop, right? Yeah, sure. The main play from the open has not been completely invalidated. When it took us 7, then it started giving us a hint that it was gonna take it, but it hasn't been taken yet. So now we need to measure the strength of the low, right? This low right here, 93, 95, to see. Now, a clean break of 400, then it's gonna go to this low here. This low is not gonna easily be taken, but it will be. And then a continuation to 90. Boom, right there. Okay, let me go ahead and put it here. Boom, 90. Alrighty. So what do we do in the meantime, Ray? Well, what do you mean? What do we do in the meantime? I told you, right? We have 2 units left for the short. You do not want the price to take 10 or 12, right? If it does, then go play golf, expecting to take its time to break it and continue going to 90. But that's not going to happen anytime soon. Right now, the bulls, my friends, are in control of the short-term play, and they will do everything in their power to take it all the way to 12, 10, 12, because they know that that's where the stops of the fake gurus on YouTube on their demo account are. Okay, so it's important that we're clear on that. All right, these 20 points that we made when we shorted the high, and we just locked 400. All right, we just locked 20 points. That's not a target. The target, my friend, is 90. When? That's a durable. All right. Remember that we have 3 trades. All right. Okay. We have the tempo play. We have the sway, medium range, short term, and the durable. Right. That's 390. Okay. Price right now between 10 and 12. Remember. Okay. Look at that beautiful bounce. Right. All righty then. All righty. You see that? 12 is the high of our 10-12 range, right? This is 12. That's exactly where you go. This is exactly where you add to a winner our current short position, 16, 17, or you establish a new position. Sure, right here, 12, right? The one that I gave you 3 minutes ago. 12. Boom. Price goes to where? Are you kidding me? Another razor sharp entry. Look at that. 12 half. This is crazy. If I wouldn't be seeing all this reading, if you tell me about it, I don't believe you. What? A guide? Yeah, is there a system that can give you razor sharp entries all morning long on this type of market condition? Come on, you're full of it. Oh, really? The last one was 12 quarter? Come on, man. Come on, man. right? If I don't see it, I don't believe it either myself. Look at that. 12 half. Boom. Back to '09. Back to trying to take the 12. We all know that the Bulls are in charge as long as 499 is not taken. Once it's taken, we know where it's going. 90. Only 10 points. Is this bounce going to take us all the way to target 3? I don't even have target 3. I don't have it. I still have my target 221, and I'm waiting to see if I have to change it. All right. We don't have target 3 for this bull. This is gonna be now a big battle between the bulls and the bears. That's why we really don't have a main play. Officially, yes, we do have a main play because it hasn't been destroyed. The 93 half, this one right here. Remember the 93 half? As long as it's not taken, which I don't believe it will anytime soon, technically, yes, the main play is that long. All right. And the short that we took 10, 15 minutes ago and the one that we just took again, they are both counter trends, my friend. All right. No greed, no fear. So, because remember, we must know everything at all times. All right. And what's everything? Well, we always want to know what's the strongest support, what's the strongest resistance, which levels are going to be broken, taken, and it's number one. What's king? Direction. What does that mean? Well, the main direction. All right. We know that officially the main direction is long, it's bullish. Price hasn't taken the low. All right. Where to? 21. That's the main thing officially. All these shorts we've been taking just to take advantage of what we know is a strong resistance. All right. And expecting for the counter trend shorts, for the bears, the main direction to change and 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 buy a Lamborghini, right? Like all the teenagers on YouTube, they all have Lamborghinis, right? Why can't we not have a couple of Ferraris ourselves, right? Well, that's what these shorts are. That's what the shorts are expecting. That's what we wanna do. But I'm telling you, right now, like up until now, I've been telling you this is exactly what's gonna happen. This is resistant. This is a short. This is a long. This is a main play. This is this and that. It's getting really tough. It's usually at 11:30 when it begins, but it just began. Well, it's 11:21 already, right? So 9 minutes to 11:30. So I'm not surprised, but that's not the only reason. It's getting really erratic right now. It's very difficult. Okay. Short term though, I'm not expecting the price to take this high. All right. This 18, 20, squeeze 21. Short term, that's not gonna happen. After that, depending at what time it happens, then we'll know. And by my guess is that we're not gonna be here because remember we're gonna make in 2 hours what most people make in 2 months, right? So we're pretty much done, right? Okay. So what needs to happen for for us, the Bears, not to be short anymore? There needs to be a destroyment of not even 14. The price needs to destroy 21 actually. All right. So I'm gonna say this again because this is exactly how it is. The short players, the bears, all right, we want to add to a winner all the way to 21. All right. Of course we don't want the price to take 14. Of course we don't want the price to take 18. Right? And of course we don't want the price to take 21. As long as those are not taken, being short, it's okay for leg 2. Those of you who are taking advantage of the short side. Okay? And long, well, of course, I already told you, clean break of 99, price is gonna have a hard time taking the low 93, 95. It's not gonna happen easily, but it will be taken, and it'll continue to 90. Right? So we need to know all of this so that you can manage your positions. All right, I'm gonna take a. Actually, I'm not gonna take a break. I'm out of here. What time it is? 11:23. This chop is gonna continue. I have nothing else to say, and I doubt that there's gonna be a new rotation, so that I'm gonna have a new reading for the market 8 minutes before 11:30. I doubt it. I'll tell you what. I'll take a small break, and I'll be right back. Let me go ahead and choose some Dr. Dolittle black currant pastilles for my throat. Okay, I'll be right back. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, so our 16 counter trend short still working, right? Remember what I told you. It's not gonna take this high right here. If it does 21, even better, because we'll have a better risk reward ratio. But beginning our mid range 16 keeps on like the ever ready bunny. It keeps going, and we're gonna continue doing it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we hit beautifully target 2, and you know that target 2 is counter trend, of course, always, and we have target 3, which is our last target, not hit during regular trading hours. It's okay. I have reasons to believe that it will be hit Globex during Globex. All right. Anyway, so interesting day. Look at this. It doesn't get any tougher than this, right? Yet we nail every single move, and we'll do it again tomorrow. Remember, if it's not live, it's not real. If you're gonna follow anybody, ask them. All right, read the market for me live, real time, as it's happening, so that you can prove to me that you are the real deal, that you're not just another, another fake guru on YouTube. All right, we'll do it all over again tomorrow.